Today I'm gonna do what's in my YouTube shopping bag. I'm so excited to show you. You may already know I was at a YouTube shopping yesterday. I'm really excited to see what's inside of this huge bag. I was actually waiting until today because I didn't want it to open before I filmed the video for you. Are you ready? It's so cute. What's really nice about YouTube shopping event, they personalized the bag and they wrote your name and everything was well organized. It was their first YouTube shopping event in New York and I'm so excited I was invited and I was able to attend. Let's start from the side pockets. I got these gorgeous makeup brushes from BK Beauty. I'm gonna link every product in this video so you will be able to find the products and perhaps purchase them if you need them. Just talking about how much I need makeup brushes and then my wish came true. Nothing else on this side. The other side, oh my god, this is my favorite coffee, La Colombe. There's something else. Leave-in conditioner spray by Fenty Hair. I didn't know Rihanna made a Fenty Hair as well. Unfortunately, I have my own hair care products and my own company, so I'm not gonna use other people's hair products, but thank you. Let's see what is in here. Wow, this bag is actually amazing. I can use it for travel. Oh my god, so cute. Eyes, lips, and face. I love their makeup. Next thing I got is this brand. It's called Spanx. They had such an amazing workout outfits. Extra small, mini for me. I need workout clothes because I work out a lot. I don't really wear t-shirts. Very soft too. I have a sister. I'm gonna tease her that my parents got me this. I got another hoodie. We really need new colors like this. This is perfect for like traveling or just being cozy. So nice. I'm just gonna move this. I got beach waver. I don't really have curlers. I curl my hair with Dyson or like other brushes. So that's good to have. I got a selfie ring light which has a fan. I need this because I don't have it. Beach waver conditioner. Then I got a cleansing lotion. It's like a facial massaging brush. So cute. Then I got some cool sunglasses. I can't believe how many things I got in here. You guys have no idea. Beautiful Walmart shopping bag. This is cute. I love this. I have no idea. It's amazing. Another shopping bag. Everybody needs this. I can't believe they gave me mints. This is amazing. I got Glossier. I don't know what is this. Let's see. Wow. This is so refreshing. Smells so beautiful and very summery. Very floral. Thank you, Glossier. Laneige. Got Bouncy and Firm Serum. I got Bobbi Brown Boost Your Base. I love Bobbi Brown makeup. I haven't tried their skincare yet, so I'm excited. Oh my god. Claude Monet. I got this fragrance. I smelled this at the event and I was like, this smells so good. Look at the bottle. New fragrances. Floral, but at the same time luxurious and very refreshing. It's called Monet, like an artist. Packaging, the wooden box is incredible as this works. Look at this. If you want new fragrances that are not crazy famous right now, you should get this one. And I got e.l.f. The base for makeup. I got Allstain Chic, like a chic makeup. I got some sort of like a case or something, probably like case for like fragrance. Then I got another Glossier perfume. This is a must-have coconut fragrance. If you're a coconut lover, you want to go to a beach or summer walk. I got the Fenty Beauty Oil Body Cream. Already got Fenty Beauty Body from TikTok shop, but I didn't get in the small size, so this is a good travel size. Then I got another perfume. I was just smelling these at the event. I'm so excited to smell what scent did I got. This is a vegan and cruelty-free fragrance. I'm gonna spray the box because I spray too many fragrances, so it reminds me of like summer break fragrance. It's called Minerale. I'm gonna tag everything, so guys, no worries. This could be favorite after the Monet one. What's next? Banana Bright Eye Cream. I never ever tried any product with banana under my eyes, so this could be a good thing to try. Got this huge bag. Look at all these products and makeup that I got. I got a morning gel cleanser from Perks. It's a Korean skincare. I got e.l.f. Matte primer. I also got moisturizing powder for the hair, but I have my own hair care, so I'm only gonna use Vivace hair care. The Daily Clean Shampoo. This is for the hair, and also, you know guys, I'm gonna use Vivace hair care. If you wanna try something else, you can also shop these hair products, but I would only suggest you that mine are the best. Skincare facial spray. Andra volume spray. Then I got jasmine and rose. Oh my god, my two favorite, rose and jasmine together in the hand cream. Beauty Space brand. I'm just gonna pack this in my travel suitcase. Eye gels patch. I'm gonna try this for sure. And of course, you can use this for anything, even like a small purse to go, or like makeup purse when I travel. I got Laneige. This is a new essential blurring finish powder. I recently started loving finish powders. I didn't know how to use them before, so right now I'm really excited to get new things like that when it comes to makeup. Then I got mascara from e.l.f. and I got a Glow Riviere lip oil from e.l.f. as well. Very excited to try these. I wanted to get this on TikTok. I'm so excited for the first time to try Pixie. Thank you, YouTube Shopping. Both are must have. Got a texturizing spray brand. Got a lip plump from Tarte together with like a lip liner. I love Tarte. They're really good for makeup. Excited to try that. Got Summer Fridays. This is a lip butter balm. And I got Summer Fridays as well, like a dream lip oil. I have never had enough of lip oils, so super excited. Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite lip oil right now from Fenty Beauty in this color. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link everything. So I got Summer Fridays in a warm beige color. Look at this beauty. It's a lip oil. Can't wait to try. Got a gift card. This is so sweet. And then I got a fragrance.com. This is more masculine. Sandalwood, I would say. You can mix up like to sweeten the sandalwood. I got Bare Minerals Lasting Eyeliner. Everybody needs eyeliner. And then I got Laura Mercier Lip Glaze. Cream Caramel. Also got Summer Fridays. I never tried their makeup, so I'm really excited to try Summer Fridays. It's also a lip oil, so I think I'm supplied for an entire year and more with lip oils and makeup. Eyeliner. Another eyeliner, because when I finish this one, I get another one. What else did I get? Summer Fridays lip oil. I'm blessed. The Fenty Beauty is Jellyfish. This is a balm oil as well. I can't wait for you guys to see my videos where I like apply all these products. Another blush from Pixie, and it's a different shade. It's called On the Glow Blush, and it's kind of like purplish something. I got what is this? Lip treatment. And I got another eyeliner, so I got 3 eyeliners because I'm gonna finish them probably fast. I love eyeliners. And the last thing in the bag is Laura Mercier lipstick crayon. I'm so happy I got this one. Would be all. And this beautiful huge bag that I got from YouTube has like a, I can wear it, and also it's like a travel carry-on bag. Thank you YouTube for inviting me to this beautiful event, and I'm so grateful and happy that I was able to attend and get all of these beautiful products that I will be using. Sending you guys so much love, and thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna share more about these products in my next few videos, and love you so much. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this.